In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform an initial clear on the SE-C3500 register. You might perform an initial clear to clear the machine from some unknown lockup, meaning you can't currently use the machine. It won't affect any programming or sales data, providing you do it correctly, and it should clear the current lockup and enable you to carry on using the register as normal. The first thing to do is to turn the key round to the off position, and you will need to make sure that it's the PGM key loaded. You then press the receipt feed button down, turn the key to the PGM position and release the feed key. Then press subtotal and the machine will perform the initial clear. You should now be able to turn the key back to the reg mode and process a transaction as you normally would. For more information on using the SE-C3500 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on the video links appearing on the screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.